This is one of the few programs across the world where we truly offer an opportunity to get a hands-on and in classroom learning. And our program really solely focuses on sports and sports science.
Currently, I serve as the head of strength and conditioning and sports science for ETSU women's volleyball. I'm getting my PhD in sport physiology and performance with a emphasis in sport performance. And getting to integrate with that team, work directly with the coaching staff one-on-one has provided me an experience that I don't think I can get anywhere else.
We have had a really good feedback from our students because they've put themselves through the rigor of 2 years and 3 years of working with athletes here, that when they come in on day one, they get actually assigned to a team of athletes. I think that really sets us apart.
What initially brought me to ETSU was the weightlifting team. I was given the opportunity to represent the U.S. in Colombia for a meet for a weightlifting competition. That was the first one where I was really able to see that I had a future here at ETSU and that what we were doing here was pushing me to shoot for new limits. It has been a phenomenal experience. It is so great working with students who have a similar mindset to myself. As I continued through my kinesiology degree, I decided I want to keep with sports science, so I opted into the Accelerated Bachelor's and Master's program.
At ETSU, exercise science goes beyond the classroom. When you're a student at ETSU, you're making a really big impact on the community around you. They get to meet community partners, and they're applying the information they learn rather than just regurgitating it.
It's a lot better being hands-on. I came to ETSU, they have a good medical program, so I feel like it set me up best to get an equivalent or either go somewhere else. Talking to some of my friends that are already in med school, they said that I've kind of had a little bit of a head start.
And the students just really appreciate the fact that it's not just sit in the classroom, take notes, that they actually get to apply the information that they're learning. It's a significant confidence builder for them.
I would say the people here make it worth it. I've been incredibly grateful for the opportunity to have a hands-on experience with my degree. I think it is critically important.
If you want to combine coaching and the academic aspects of sports science research, there's no better place to do it than here at ETSU.